Hello, my name is Al. I'm the Associate Director and 12th grade year group leader at Residential Light Village School.
Hi, I'm Anya. This is my third year in Village, and I've been in the student leadership, the judicial committee, and in girls basketball.
My name is Mark. I'm from Ukraine. I play sports, I do chess, I do soccer.
Our favorite parts of residential life is to accompany our fantastic and talented student body in their various initiatives and goals throughout the year.
First, when I arrived here, I was a little bit lost, so I would ask Res 5 staff or student leaders to help me in some questions.
When I first arrived here, my experience was pretty amazing. I had a lot of fun because everyone was really friendly and outgoing, and it just made me feel like I really love this community.
We always strive for our students to have a wonderful balance between academics and also getting involved in various initiatives, from clubs, inside school clubs, outside school clubs, various internships, community service.
Things I like to do on the weekend are basically hang out with my friends and go out to the many trips that the dorms offer during the weekend.
I get involved in many activities after school, but in particular chess. I'm a great chess player, so as soon as I arrived to Houston, I started looking for different competitions.
A piece of advice that I would give to students coming to the Village School is to always be open-minded and always invite new friends to come in. And it's just a really fun community when you do that because you get into a big family and it feels really welcoming.